Starting with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Myself is Shama Mead and welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Tech Zone for another exciting lecture. In today's lecture, I shall be discussing about malware. Malware is basically a blanket term for viruses, worm, Trojans and other harmful computer programs that a user use to gain access to sensitive information to your computing devices. So basically the malware is a blanket term for viruses, worms, Trojan and harmful computer programs that basically hackers install into your computer to in order to steal your sensitive information. So malware can steal sensitive data to destroy your entire system or devices. Malware is a force behind most cyber attacks, from data theft leading to identity theft or even large scale data breaches. So how we can prevent malware? It is recommended that do not click on the stranger links or emails. It is recommended that do not open email attachments from unauthorized person or unrecognizable person. It is authorized that when any stranger sends you a link to open that link and to avail these services, never click on that links if the person is not recognizable to you or unknown to you. Avoid downloading a pirated software. Like I said before in the previous video, that it is not recommended to install a pirated software. It is recommended to always have original softwares from the trustable websites. So install ad blocker in your web browsers. It is recommended to have ad blocker to avoid different types of ads that pop up on your screen. So ad blockers install to have ad blockers into your browsers. Always install ad blockers extensions to avoid ads and that when you search anything on the internet. So do not browse untrustworthy websites. So it is recommended to not visit untrustable websites, untrustable links. Always just ignore those things. So run antivirus on regular intervals. So antiviruses are one of the great source to combat these viruses, worms or any these type of threats. So always it is recommended to have at least 3 to 4 times scan into your week in a week of your computing devices. So that will eliminate the viruses and reduce the attacks of viruses, worm or any Trojan type of attacks. So this is all about the malware. If you like this video, share it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely respond there. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos. Thank you and have a great day.